Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Skillset Academy Maximizing Your Wealth Potential Session 9. So in this session we will learn what is take profit, how to execute it on MT4, what is stop loss and how to execute it on MT4. So we'll learn all these things in this session. So I'll see you guys on my MT4 screen. So hello guys, welcome to MT4. So now first of all we will learn what is TP, what is take profit. So take profit is also known as TP, maybe TP1, maybe TP2 or maybe TP3. So basically, take profit is a particular point at which we want that our trade should be closed and taking out the profit, booking out the profit. Just imagine if the price of gold is at 100 and you want that price should be reaching at 150. Your analysis say that price will be reaching at 150 or it should reach at 150, and after reaching 150 the trade should get closed, the profit should be booked in your account, the trade should automatically be closed. Then we will use the take profit, then we will execute our take profit, due to which if the price goes to 150 from 100 and you cover 50 pips profit, after that trade will automatically get closed. You don't have to sit in front of your device or in front of the market or wait for the price to reach at 150. No, after executing the take profit you don't have to worry, because as soon as price reach to 150 the trade will automatically get closed and your profit will be booked. So how to execute take profit? So just imagine if you have already opened a trade, we can see that if we buy by the market, now we can see that we are having an open order. Now you think or you analyze or you get a signal from somewhere that gold price from 1952 it will reach to 1955 and you will be booking 30 pips profit, and you want that when it reach to 1955 our trade should get closed, our profit should be booked in our accounts. So then now we will execute our take profit. So if we see, if we click on that, we can see there are four options. Number one, close order, which if we click our order will be closed at market price. Second option, new order, in which if we click there will be new order executed. Modify order and chart. Chart, we know that if we click this option we will be automatically going into the chart window where we can see the gold chart. Now we have to focus on modify order. What is modify of order? So if we click on modify order we can see two things, actually three things. Number one is our lot size, from where we have clicked the lot, we have selected the lot. Now we can see we are able to look two prices, two places where there is 0.00 and 0.00. Now one side is stop loss, which we will be learning soon after this take profit, and one of your side is take profit. So how to recognize what is stop loss and what is take profit? So you should always remember that your take profit, will always will be in a right side, will be on right side, and it will be in green color. The line will always be in green color. So if you are having the option to fill the price on your right side, that is always your take profit. Never will be, it will be something different, it will always will be take profit. Now this is an Android phone. Sometimes with the iPhone users, if you click on the modify order option, you will directly getting an option putting stop loss and take profit like SL, and you can fill up the price, take profit, and you can fill up the price. Or maybe some even Android devices have this option, so it also vary. But at present we can see that we are having the option here to put our take profit. So if we think the price is currently at 1952 and we think that the price will go to 1955 and our trade should get closed, we just fill 1955, the price on which we want our goal to get closed, our profit to be booked. We'll just click on the modify option. We can see order is modified. Now if we click on it, we can see we have already put our take profit, which is 1955. So if you have completed the basic course, or if you already know the basics and looking to start and jump directly in trading and start multiplying your money from day one, so just have a look at our game-changing services, which include of gold with the accuracy rate of 98 to 99% with the cover of 1000 to 2000 pips per week in gold, plus everyday trading setups for all your major currencies, plus cryptocurrency by the leading financial coaches and traders, plus everyday insights of financial market, which includes economic calendar, plus which news will impact what currencies and how they will react, plus the most advanced simplify education, which will actually change your thinking regarding financial market and trading, plus the most unique service which is introduced for the first time in the world by us, which we call as Money Talks, where you will get access to different mind concepts related to financial market and motivational financial strategies, which will help you throughout your life. And all these game changing services you will be getting just in a peanut price for $99 a month. Plus we have a free group which you can join and learn absolutely free basic education, plus every day you can see our results and achievements. If we have a look on our chart, we can see that we have buy at this price at 1952 and we have already executed our take profit at 1955. So whenever the market will go up and reach at this point, our trade will automatically get closed, our profit will automatically be booked. So if we put and sell trade, now if we imagine, if we put a sell trade, we sell by the market, and we think now the price is at 1952. We think the price will come down and it will reach to 1950, and then our trade should get closed. So that's the simple process. Same, we'll just click on modify order and we will put at same place where we are putting at take profit. It doesn't matter whether it's a sell order or whether it's a buy order, we will put our take profit at the same place, which is our right place. So we'll just click 1950 because we analyze that our market will reach to 1950 and it will get closed, or we can book our profit at that time. So we'll just click on modify. Now if we go on a chart, we can see that where the soon as so we have sell it at this point at 1952. Now we have put the take profit at 1950. That means as soon as the market reaches to 1950, our order will automatically get closed and we will book the profit. Now what is stop loss? So basically stop loss is known as also SL, stop loss. So what it is? So if we think that if we have buy the price, just imagine if we have buy the gold at 100 and we have predicted that the price will go to 120 and we have put our take profit at 120 and trade will automatically get closed. But where predictions get wrong. The gold price start getting decreased and it reached to 80, and you are already in a running loss for 20 pips. Now you want to close your order, or you predict before putting the order, or you analyze before putting the order, that if my price goes to 80, I want that my trade should automatically get closed, or I will close it manually. Because if it gets to 80, I will be having a huge loss, or maybe if it get to 80, then there will be a downfall, then the bearish market will start, sellers will enter in the market, and price will go more down to maybe 50 or maybe 40. So I will be having a huge loss. So at this point now, we can put our stop loss to prevent from blowing our account, to get in a huge negative. We can prevent that. So if we have executed our buy order at 1952, and we predict that the price from 1952, it can go to 1950. If it goes to 1950, I will close my trade. I will not trade anymore, because after reaching the point 1950, my analysis say that market will go to downtrend, that there will be sellers in the market, and if I don't close at 1950, my negative margin will start, my negative balance will be there, and I will be losing more money. So at this point we will execute our stop loss. So how to execute the stop loss? Same, we'll just click on modify order, and I have earlier told you that on the right side we always put our take profit. So on the left side we will always put our stop loss. And in this also, if you are an iPhone user, you will be having an option of take profit and stop loss, where you can directly enter the digits and the trade will execute, or your stop loss or take profit will execute. But here we can see that we have already executed our take profit. Now it's time to execute our stop loss. So we have already made the analysis that our stop loss should be 1950, because we know that after reaching 1950 there will be a huge downfall, and we can't bear so much of loss. We don't want to have so much of loss. So if we put the 1950, and now the order is modified, and if we see our chart, we can see that there is a stop loss. So if we see buy, take profit, and just a second, we'll just change it to 1951, or maybe we can just execute it on. So now we can see, we are able to see our stop loss, because we have just little bit modify our stop loss from 1950 to 1940, because we have already executed so many orders. So it was becoming difficult to explain you guys. So I have just little bit modify our stop loss. So now we can see we are having a stop loss here, and if our buy price goes down, it doesn't go as our direction, then if the soon as it reaches to 1940, the trade will automatically get closed. We don't have to worry about that, or we don't have to sit in front of the screen to execute it or to close it manually. It will automatically get closed and your account will be safe. You will be having a calculated loss, because you have already calculated the loss at which point you are putting your stop loss. So if you are putting your stop loss, you will not be having more loss as expected or as calculated, which is also known as risk management, which we will be learning in our advanced session. What is the importance of risk management, how to do it, and how important it is to always be as a trader or to sustain in a market. So back to the topic, if we are executing the sell order, how to put stop loss in the sell order. If we modify our order again, we can see we are again having an option of left and right putting our price. So we'll just click on this. Now we think we have sold at 1952 and the price goes in against our direction. It goes up, 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 and it reaches to 1960. Now we will be having a loss of 80 pips, which we can't bear. Or we know that if price goes to 1958, then there will be buyers in the market, then there will be a bullish trend, and we can't afford that. So there we will put our stop loss at 1956, that if the market, we have sold our market at 1952, and if the market goes against our direction, against the trend or against our analysis, and it start going up, so after reaching 1956, the trade will automatically get closed, because we have already calculated our loss that we can just take 80 pip loss, whether it is $0.018, whether it is $0.180. It depends on your account size and on yourself, that how much risk you wanted to take. So if we put 1956 and we click on modify option, we can see on the chart now that our stop loss is executed. So we can see this is our stop loss. This is our stop loss. So after reaching at this point, the trade will automatically get closed and we will not having a more loss as expected or as calculated. So these two terms were very important when you will start trading, because otherwise you have to be in front of screen always. You can't having a fresh mind, because you always be like, after checking every 5 minutes that what is the current price, what is the current price. So no, we always put take profit and stop loss, as these two are the main components of risk management also, which we will be learning in the advanced session. So this is all for this session. I'll see you guys in the session 10, where we will learn how to take partials and how to break even an order. So these two terms we will be learning in the next session. So I'll see you guys in my next session. Take care and stay safe.